If you're setting up a woodworking shop or upgrading your current workspace, a high-quality router table can make all the difference in accuracy and efficiency. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 router tables on Amazon that offer the best combination of durability, functionality, and value. Let's start with one of the most popular choices among hobbyists and professionals alike, the Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. Known for its solid aluminum top, this router table provides a flat and durable work surface that ensures consistent results with every pass. It features a tall fence with adjustable MDF faceplates, a rigid aluminum router mounting plate that fits a variety of routers, and integrated featherboards for added control. What sets this model apart is its dust collection port that keeps your workspace cleaner, and its onboard storage that keeps accessories within reach. Reviewers consistently praise its robust construction and ease of assembly. For anyone who needs precision and portability without sacrificing stability, the RA1181 remains a top-tier choice. Next up is the Bosch RA1141 Portable Router Table, an excellent alternative for those who need something lighter and easier to move. This model features a unique fold-and-carry design, making it highly portable for professionals who work on different job sites. The laminated MDF top offers a smooth surface for accurate cuts, and it includes an integrated accessory storage drawer, onboard bit storage, and adjustable featherboards. The mounting system accommodates a wide variety of routers, just like the RA1181. While slightly smaller in surface area, the RA1141 is ideal for DIYers or contractors looking for portability and performance in one compact package. Users love its tool-free setup and convenient design, especially when space or mobility is a concern. Our third recommendation is the Skil SRT1039 Portable Benchtop Router Table, which offers great value with a wide range of features at a competitive price. This table comes equipped with a quick-release router mount, starter pin, fence with adjustable faces, and a bit height gauge. It's compatible with most Skil routers and can also fit models from other brands with some adjustments. The laminated MDF top and foldable legs make it easy to store and transport, while the included accessories make it a plug-and-play solution for beginners. Many users praise it for being sturdy and easy to set up, especially for first-time router users. It's an ideal option for casual woodworkers who want a practical, ready-to-use table at an affordable price. Coming in fourth is the Skil RT1323 Router Table and Fixed Base Router Kit, a complete package that includes both the router and the table, making it a smart pick for new woodworkers. The 10-amp router offers enough power for most routing tasks, and the table features a pre-drilled insert plate, bit storage, adjustable fence, and dust collection port. Above-table adjustment is a standout feature, allowing quick bit depth changes without removing the router. Users love the convenience of getting both pieces together, especially when starting from scratch. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that gets you up and running fast, the RT1323 kit checks all the boxes without breaking the bank. Last but not least is the Universal Aluminum Benchtop Router Table, a more industrial-style option that appeals to those who like customization. This model is built from durable anodized aluminum, offering excellent rigidity and flatness. It features a large work surface, a T-slot fence, and a clear router insert plate with height adjustments. Unlike brand-specific models, this universal table is designed to be compatible with a wider range of routers and can be easily modified for additional features. Though it may require more setup time, seasoned users appreciate the quality of materials and the ability to upgrade or accessorize as needed. If you're comfortable with making minor adjustments and want a serious long-term solution, this universal table delivers solid performance at a competitive price point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more trusted tool reviews and woodworking tips to help you build better every day.